Alright guys, on today's video I'm going to be talking about how to start making money on Facebook in Nigeria. Last month, Mark Zuckerberg and his company Meta announced that they are going to start monetizing Nigerians. So a lot of people has been waiting for me to do this video and clarify things if actually Nigeria will be eligible to start making money on Facebook. Yes, before Facebook monetize a country, they reach agreement with the country. So Meta and their team, they came down to Nigeria last month and they had some verbal and documentary agreements with Nigeria. And that is why they made that announcement that come June, they are going to monetize Nigeria. And this monetization will start from Instagram. And once they monetize any country on Instagram, it means that it's going to propagate to Facebook within a short period of time. So, what are you going to do to start making money on Facebook? I see a lot of people with a large number of followership on Facebook, but the only thing they do is that they post only write-ups, that is articles. They don't post videos on their page. To start making money in Nigeria on Facebook, you need to post videos. That is where Facebook pays. If you like get up to 5k, 10k, 20k or 30k reactions on your post, provided it's not video, making money on Facebook will be hard. Even when you are monetized on bonuses, it will be very difficult for you to earn money. So how do you earn money in Nigeria on Facebook? To start earning money on Facebook, the number one thing you need is your page. Page is very necessary for you to start earning money. Yes, if they monetize Nigeria, profiles will be making money. But for you to make a lot of money on Facebook, you are going to need a Facebook page. So this is the first thing that you need to start earning money on Facebook. You also need to stay out of violation on Facebook. You need to create contents that will not violate Facebook policy guidelines. There are a lot of violations on Facebook. There are a lot of things that will cause violation on Facebook. That is why sometimes it's very important for you to find a mentor, someone who has monetized, who has gone through back and forth on Facebook, and they will guide you on what to do and what not to do so that you'll be able to monetize on Facebook. So literally, these are the major things you need to start earning money on Facebook. Mind you, you need videos. If you want to earn money on Facebook, you need video content, not write-ups. You need video content to start earning money on Facebook. So if you're that person on Facebook that has a lot of followers, an active page, or even a profile, and you desire to start earning money once Nigeria is monetized, then I am advising you to start creating original content on your page, not just grabbing content that does not belong to your original content that was done edited by you. So this is what you need to start earning money on Facebook in Nigeria come June 2024. Do you have more questions? Drop in the comment section below and we are going to discuss about it. For my next video, I'm going to be teaching you what to do and what not to do on your page for you to make money on Facebook, both in and outside Nigeria. Some times ago, I made a video about how to create an optimized page that will actually get you views. You can navigate my channel and watch that video and create a page. So how do you create a page? I'm going to run through it. First, you need to choose a name for your page, a brand name that will represent you and represent what you stand for, both physically and online. Okay, so that is the first step you need to take when you want to create a page. Okay, so once that has been done, the next thing you need to choose is your category. You need to choose the category that you want to be creating content on. This is very important. So aside that, you also need an optimized image or picture that also represents you. Okay, why you need this stuff is that it is not advisable on Facebook to keep on changing your page name and your display profile or your photo, cover photo, whichever one it is. So you need to choose a picture that will last a very long time, and this will also make you significant and unique to your viewers over time. Alright, so after choosing your category, the next thing you need is to choose a niche that you want to be creating content on. On Facebook, you need to focus on a particular niche, the kind of video, that is what a niche is, the kind of video that you want to be posting on your page, and you keep posting that kind of video, be it football videos, be it entertainment videos, be it marriage video, be it relationship video, be it medical and health videos. You choose the niche that you are good in and you want to be creating content on, and you stick to it. So this is very important for you to make money on Facebook, because niche-based pages get more views and they get more engagement more than pages that post almost everything. So you choose one kind of content that you want to be creating on your page, your niche, and you stick to it. So after that has been done, what else do you need? You need content. To grow on Facebook, the number one pillar is content. It's not about running promotion, boosting your page, boosting your videos, and the rest. You need to create content, good content that is going to align with what Facebook wants from content creators, content that follow Facebook policy guidelines, content that will not bring you violation or demonetization. Making money on Facebook also doesn't stop from creating content. You need to get views and audience, and this is where sponsoring your post comes to play. You need to sponsor some of your videos, not all of them, to some bigger pages or platforms, or celebrities or personalities or promoters who have platform and followers, so that you get little followers and views on your video, so that you'll be able to qualify for monetization on Facebook. Now, many will be asking, will I start making money once I start creating content and Facebook monetizes Nigeria? Well, the answer is no. There are some requirements that Facebook expects from content creators to enable them start earning money on Facebook. The first, which is 5K followers. You need to get 5K followers before you start earning money on Facebook. Aside 5K followers, you also need to live in an eligible country that is eligible to earn on Facebook. You also need to follow Facebook policy, content policy guideline, and also their partner monetization policy guideline. I've made a video on this on my channel. You can go to my channel and watch that video on how to stay in line Facebook content and partner monetization policy. The final thing that you need is to get 60,000 minutes views on your videos. This is very paramount. If you don't accumulate 60,000 minutes views in the space of 2 months, you cannot monetize on Facebook. So this is one thing you need. You also need to get 600,000 minutes views on your live videos if you want to monetize your live video. Okay. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Keep creating.